Hi, Mr. Avdhoot. Welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Great. So, first of all, many congratulations on passing your CCI Enterprise Infrastructure. So, how are you feeling today?
Oh, that much assure because working with a job and during study last 3 years I'm working for studying for CCIE, and finally I whatever I want to achieve finally is achieved now. So I feel more happier than ever.
Great. Many congratulations from our side.
Thank
And
you.
can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your background into the IT industry, your total years of experience?
Yeah, sure. So actually, I have total 70 years of experience in the core networking, routing, switching, and security, especially. Also, I have knowledge of the a new device like software-defined networks. Mostly, I have already deployed myself in the earlier previous job, and currently I'm working with Rahi as a manager where I'm handling the global clients.
Great. Great. So, how did you got to know about courses by I-MEDITA? You have enrolled for multiple courses here. So, how
Yes.
you get to know about I-MEDITA and our courses initially?
So initially, when I was looking for courses for CCI study, so I see the website of yours, and I was spoke with even you, and I saw the feedback from the multiple candidates and the positivity from your side. So I decided whenever I want to join CCI course, I will go with the iMedita especially.
And what all courses you have completed with us?
So far, I have done the AWS solution architect and now CCI enterprise infrastructures.
Great. Great. So, how long did it take for you to prepare for this entire CCI Enterprise Infrastructure Training Program?
So for routing switching, earlier I had done the routing switching. So as I working with the core technologies, I don't have get much gadgets over there or not much difficulties because I'm working in the last 16 years in there. But now for new technologies, I am last 1 year actually I'm studying for this enterprise for especially for SDA software defined networks.
Great. So, how much time did you allocate on daily basis for self-study and lab practice before the exam attempt?
So daily for lab practice daily 5 hours and self study more than 7 hours actually.
Great. So, on an average, 10, 11 hours for last 1, 2 months, you were
Yes.
spending these many hours.
Yes. Yeah.
And as a working professional, because you are working and you are working at a managerial position, so you have to manage a lot of people as well, along with the
Yes.
escalation, customer issues.
Yeah.
So, how did you manage to spend this much time, invest this much time in your learning, practice, along with your work schedule?
So, as I have global client, I'm mostly global client based from the UK and US. So, morning time, whatever I get the free time, I do the my self study. After finish my working hours, at the night time, I do the lab study. So I can manage in that way actually. Because if you
Great,
want to achieve something, you have to sacrifice your something.
great, right. And can you tell us about your experience with iMedita CCI Enterprise Infrastructure Training Program? How was your overall experience?
Oh, overall experience is totally excellent. Surendra sir is always available for me. Whenever even nighttime, I'm ping him personally on WhatsApp. Whenever I get issue or morning, I call him. He ever ready to support me, and he explanation, the way he understanding the troubleshooting skill is really helped me to during the lab exams. Actually, it's really helping me to achieve this thing.
So the resources which we have shared with you, the assistance from instructor side, assistance from support team, did all these things help you in your CCI preparation and your
Yes,
in
yes,
passing the
yes,
CCI?
yes,
Great.
100%.
And how would you evaluate the quality of training in terms of course content, lab practice, instructor knowledge, and support team assistance?
10 out of 10, if you ask me
Okay,
directly.
great. And based on your experience, would you recommend our training program to other friends in your circle and professional network in your professional network?
Yes, I would.
Great. And were all the necessary documentation, resources, lab support provided from our side?
Yes, everything. Whenever I get any issue with the lab, even the remote lab also, sir, give me the immediate new lab session, so I won't break my practice continuously. I can able to focus myself in my during my time. So every time I will get the proper help whenever I need it.
Okay, great. Thank you. And do you have any message to participants who are planning their examination next couple of months or who are aspiring to become CCI certified?
Just simple message: be focused, be study. and listen your mentor. They never misguide you. Just focus on their listen from their side.
Great. And this was your first attempt or second attempt?
This was second attempt.
Okay, you gave one attempt, I think, couple of years back in CCI routing switching, right?
Yes, in a year of 2020, before COVID, just March, that time I fell on just last 3% only, and I actually around 77% that
Okay.
time. Sorry,
And
88% something.
in CCI Enterprise Infrastructure, this was your first attempt.
Yes, correct.
So you passed CCI Enterprise Infrastructure in the first attempt itself.
Yes, yes, yes.
Great, great. Any feedback for us? Do you have any suggestion how we can improve our training and services in future?
Actually, everything is good so far. Means I really like your environment, your support. So at this moment, I'm very happy with working with supporting get the I-MEDITA. I'm thinking looking for more certification with done with you actually.
Great, thank you. We'll be more than happy to assist you. We'll be happy to
Yep.
provide you all the necessary information as well. And
Yeah,
we
sure.
wish you all the very best for your upcoming certification, upcoming learning. And thank you for giving us your time. And thank you
Yeah.
again.
Thank you.